What piece is that?
You know that thing that we try to put on the spray ball, on the spray ball?
Yup.
Right there.
Yep. He got me. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing paint work on my 98 Civic hatchback. I still do have to get a front bumper and a back bumper in the hood. I'll have to put you on a time lapse. Let's get this thing in the booth and let's get it painted. your decision. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should leave the engine bay gray? Or should I paint it white? What do you guys think? Oh, and I got the new hood over here too. Yeah, freshy. So what do you guys think? Leave it gray? Paint it white? Really think it looks good. A little contrast. Turbo housing and exhaust manifold going with ceramic coat. Another valve cover to go in the powder coat, along with other few little items. And yeah, I need your decision. Should I leave it gray or paint it white? And I want to get this thing on a dyno in like 2 months. Probably break it in like around 550, 600 horse. Bring it back for a second time. Give her all the beans. Give her the juices. The juices. The beans. I want to give her the apples. That wraps up for this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.